Nestled on 3 acres of prime Vermont real estate, 71 and 73 Highlands Drive in Williston offers a unique multipurpose opportunity that you won't find anywhere else. Crafted with love and care by its owner, this custom homestead exudes a sense of pride and meticulous attention to detail. Inside, gleaming hardwood floors and walls of windows infuse the home with warmth and character. The layout is incredibly generous, offering ample space to work, live, and tailor to your unique needs. The sunroom, with its inviting ambiance, leads you to a private patio, the ideal spot for spending cozy evenings by the fire, surrounded by nature's beauty. Ascend the staircase to the second level, where you'll discover 2 spacious bedrooms and 2 additional bonus spaces, all boasting high ceilings and endless possibilities for customization. The entire third level is fully finished, offering a secluded oasis perfect for a home office, recreational hobbies, or hosting guests during the holidays. Additionally, this property has a 768 square foot woodworking shop with a bathroom, and the possibility for an expansion for an accessory apartment for passive income. There's also a separate tubeless car garage. Don't miss your chance to own this remarkable property. Schedule a showing today.